Jai Hind everybody. So today I am starting with question number 2 of exercise 11.2. This is the question कि construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeter from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter and measure its length. You have to construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeter from a point on the concentric circles of radius 6 centimeter and measure the length of the tangent. Also verify the measurement by actual calculation. So just look here, what is this question? We have two concentric circles. Concentric circle means they have same center but different radii. Suppose this is the one circle. Okay, its radius is given 4 centimeter. What is the radius of this circle? 4 centimeter. And here is another circle. This is the another circle whose radius is 6 centimeter. Whose radius is 6 centimeter. Let P is the point on the outer circle and this O is the center of both the circle. Is it there? Now we have to construct the tangents from point P to this smaller circle. So what we will do here? First we will join OP. First we will join OP and then we will draw its perpendicular bisector to get the midpoint M of OP. So in what way we will get the midpoint? We will take the more than half radius. In this way we will cut off the arcs. Okay, and then in this way and then we will join them. This is the perpendicular bisector of this and this is the point M, midpoint of OP, and then we will draw a circle. Thus in the previous question in this way. Is it there? Then we will draw this circle. To intersect the smaller circle at 2 points. This one, let this is point A and this is point B. This is point A and this is point B, and then we will join them. PA and PB. Is it okay? PA and PB are the required tangents. So what was the question now? Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 cm from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 cm and measure its length, and also verify the measurement by actual calculation. The construction step is just as in question number 1. Only one step will be there. The step number 1. The first step will be of this. You draw two concentric circles of radii 4 cm and 6 cm. Okay, with center O. Let P is any point on the bigger circle, you can say, or outer circle, and then join OP. Join OP, and then all the steps are just like as in question number 1. And what we will write that? Finally we will write this one. AP and BP are the required tangents, and then you will measure the length of this AP. Measurement of AP. You will measure this. Is it okay? And the next thing is also verify the measurement by actual calculation. Verify the measurement by actual calculation. Now just see what is our actual calculation. Just look here. Just look at this circle. This question is like this. This is smaller circle. This is the center O. This was the point P, and these were the tangents. These were the tangents. Now just look here. What will be the value of this OA? OA is the radius of a smaller circle, and that was given how much? 4 centimeter. OP is the radius of, just look here, this is the P point on bigger circle, This is 6 centimeter, and this radius OA will be perpendicular to tangent AP, because there is a theorem radius of a circle is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. So we can use Pythagoras theorem here. So just look here. In triangle OAP, what will happen? AP square plus OA square, this will be is equal to OP square or not, using Pythagoras theorem. Therefore AP you have to find, AP square will be OP square minus OA square. What is the value of OP? 6 square minus OA square. This is how much? 6 6 ja 36 and 4 4 ja 16. That is 20. So therefore AP will be square root of 20 centimeter. Okay. So what will be the length of this? Square root of 20 centimeter. Now this is question number 4. Question is this: draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeter which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. First we will draw the rough sketch. This is the circle, and these are the two tangents. Is it there? And they are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree. So we have to construct the radius of the circle is given 5 centimeter. So this is the rough sketch. So now how will we do this question? First we will draw the circle of radius 5 centimeter. First, we will draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Okay. So what is the first step? Draw circle of five centimeter. Take its one radius OA. Then we will take one of its radius, that is OA. Is it there? First we will draw a circle of radius of 5 centimeter, then take its one radius OA. Then just look here. What is the value of this angle? 60 degree. Is it there? Then since we know the angle between the tangents and this angle, which the point of contact makes at the center, they are supplementary. Then it means the value of this angle AOB and this APB, this should be 180 degree. So what should be the value of this angle? Angle, this one, AOB. What is the value of this? Not 180 minus 60 degree. What should be the value of this? 120 degree. Is it there? Now at point O, we will construct angle 120 degree, and in this way you will put the compass here. Is it there? This first angle is 60 degree and this is the angle 120 degree. Is it there? Step number second. Draw or construct a radius of the circle such that angle AOB should be how much? 120 degree. 100. Draw a radius OB. Draw a radius OB of the circle such that what should be there? Angle AOB 120 degree. Is it there? Now step number third. Draw rays AX and BY such that angle OBY and angle OAX now what is the next step? Draw the rays AX and BY such that angle OAX and angle OBY both equal to 90 degree. Is it there? Now we will draw these two rays. How? You have to construct the 90 degree angle at point B and A. In this way, is it there? Then This is the point of 60 degree. This is 120 degree. Then we will take the more than half radius. And again here. Okay. This will be the 90 degree. So what will be there? In this way, this is ray, which one? BY. And similarly at point A, this is ray AX. These angles should be 90 degree. Both intersect at point P. Is it there? Draw rays AX and BY such that angle OAX and angle OBY both equals to 90 degree. Rays AX and BY intersect each other at point P. Is it there? They both intersect at point P. So PA and PB are the required tangents. PA and PB are the required tangents to the circle. Now this is question number 3. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. So this construction step. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter with center O. Next, take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 centimeter from its center. Let this AB is the diameter of this circle. Let AB is the diameter. Then we are extending this diameter in the both the direction. Here in the right direction and here in the left direction. And we are taking 2 points on it, P and Q, such that OP is 7 centimeter and OQ is also 7 centimeter. So what is step number next? Take 2 points P and Q on its extended diameter AB such that OP is equal to OQ is equal to 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. And then next we will draw the perpendicular bisector of OP and OQ to find their midpoints M and N respectively. So what we will do then? We will take more than half radius in this way. Here Is it there? This is the midpoint of its. This is the midpoint M of this. And again, perpendicular bisectors of OP and OQ. Same way, we will draw the perpendicular bisector of this. To find the midpoint N. So what is the next step? Draw the perpendicular bisectors. Draw the perpendicular bisectors of OP and OQ, OP and OQ to find their midpoints M and N respectively. Okay, and then what we will do? Taking M as a center and radius is equal to either MP or MO, draw a circle to intersect the given circle, to intersect the given circle at 2 points. Just look here. Then we will draw a circle. So just look here. We will take this M as a center and we'll draw a circle in this way. This one. Taking M as a center and radius MP or MO, draw a circle to intersect the given circle at 2 points. Let these are the points. These are the point W, two points W and X, and similarly taking this N and as a center and radius is equal to what? This NO or NQ. Draw another circle to intersect the given circle at points y and z. Now again what we will do? We will draw this circle. To intersect, circle at points y and z. Wx, this is point y and this is z. Is it okay? Now, step number 5, join. What we have joined here? PW, PX. What we have joined here? PWPX QY and QZ. These are the required tangents. So PW, PX, QY and QZ are required tangents. For justification, we will find the measurement. We will find their lengths. Is it okay? When I am telling you, just look. Look at this triangle. O W P. only one triangle. This is O, this is P, and this is W. Okay, tell me, what is the length of this OW? This is the radius of the circle, which is how much? 3 centimeter. Okay. Can you tell me OP? Yes. What is written there? 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 centimeter. What is the length of OP? That is 7 centimeter. So what we will do? In triangle OWP, we will use the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so what will the length of this PW? This will be square root 7 square minus 3 square, that is 40 centimeters. Similarly, in triangle OXP, PX can be calculated under root 40 centimeter. In triangle QY can be calculated under root 40 centimeter, and in triangle OZQ, this QZ can be calculated under root 40 centimeter. Just see the lengths of the tangents PW, PX, QY and QZ. All are equal. So this question is verified. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.